I'm doing another product review of a product I bought off of Amazon. That's a wireless doorbell. What are the functions? It's a wireless digital doorbell. It's a motion sensor light. It's a security burglar alarm. And an emergency flashlight. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, let's see what this is. I'll put the description on the link where I got this and how much it went for, but I don't have that information right now. So, thinking this would be, let's open this one. Oh, it needs double A's. Oh, okay. I am thinking this would be the light. Oh yeah. There's a flashlight. That will be the motion detector. And there's switches here. So it's alarm and then LED flashlight. And the speaker is here. So we'll make that work later. Okay. Instructions manual. Is that battery? 23A. And that will be, I'm thinking that will be for this. This is the one that's going to be out in the outside door. People press. We'll see, we'll make that work later. This one looks like they are mounting things. This looks like, oh yeah, so it's where you will mount your bell. Your alarm and your bell will be here. This one would be for the outside. This one for the inside. Okay, I'll put this together. I'll get back to you. Okay, I am back. I put the battery on here, 3 AA's, and I put that special battery in there. These will be the wall mounts for the screws. These feel good. They don't feel cheap. They feel good. So, okay. Now let's try the doorbell. I put the batteries on. Click it. There you go. So, and there's also volume. That's the lowest one, middle one, and the loudest one. I'm gonna go to the middle one, that one. And you can also pick the sound by pressing this first button here. If you look at this switch here, I'm in the off, so I guess that's the doorbell function. Now if I go to LED, I'm thinking that will be the flashlight. Oh no, that is not the flashlight. Oh, why did it not work? Oops. I'm in the alarm mode right now. So what's gonna happen? I need to figure this out again. I'll be back. Oh shoot! So that detected my motion. That's why it did that. So I put it in alarm again. Right there. I guess you wait for a little bit. And then I'm gonna pretend that I'm the robber. Hopefully no robber comes into this house, but let's say. I'm gonna go over. There we go, it works. Okay. So, the LED. I wonder how the LED works. This looks good so far. I don't know how much my battery is not charged, why the LED is not working. This is pretty awesome. I figured out how to make the LED work. They put the switch onto the LED right there, and during the night when it's really dark and the sensor doesn't see any light, and you hold this into your hand, there you go, it's gonna light up. So it's only gonna light up when it's really dark. So it's an emergency LED light. There you go. So the motion sensor is the same way. This is gonna be on the wall like that. If it's dark and someone moves, this is gonna light up for 20 seconds. Okay? I think this is really amazing. So I'll put it on. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. Thank you. Peace.